Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix camera failed error on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's go! So it's very easy. All you need to do is you go to settings, then you click here on search bar and look for apps. Okay, let's click apps. Then you look for camera app. Okay, it should be here. Oh yes, it is. Okay, now it's very easy. You go to storage and clear data and cache. So let's clear data, delete, and as you can see it already cleaned the both of them if you clear data, but if you clear cache you need to clear data as well. Okay, now what you need to do is restart your phone. So click here and restart. After you restart your phone, it should be working. Okay guys, I will be back after it restarts. Okay guys, it restarted as you can see. Okay, let's enter the pin. Okay, phone is starting and your camera should work. As you can see, it works. Okay guys, if it didn't work, try again to restart cache and data, and then it should work. Okay guys, thank you for watching, have a good day and goodbye.